Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play.
What's up fam? How are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for coming. If it's your second time, just know that I really do appreciate you. And if it's your first time here, please remember to subscribe at the end of this video and join this amazing family of mine. So on today's video, of course, you're wondering what's going on. I'm in my kitchen. It's 9th of Jan 2021, and to anyone who's watching this who've not come to my channel yet, happy 2021. I'm just wishing you a lovely year and may all your dreams come to pass this year. Yes, of course I'm cooking as we speak, so why I'm doing this video definitely today is just to catch up with you guys, check on you, know how you're doing, how's your year so far. So mine have been quite busy, which I thank God for, and today I feel like it's my first Saturday of 2021. Reason why, the last Saturday was just after the new year, which was on 2nd, and this one, because it's just, you know, I feel like my house is empty again, and my sister went back to school, my nephew went back to school, like there's no one in the house at the moment, just myself. And yeah, so anyway, let me cook quickly and then I can just go somewhere, sit with you guys, and then I can concentrate. But for now, we can see maybe what I'm cooking.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down.
So I'm trying to fry some rice. That's for the rice. And then the chicken that you saw, of course, this one is not yet cooked. I don't know if camera, please focus on this. Yeah, this one is not yet cooked. I marinated it last night because I want to make some and just have chicken. And then of course, something that I hate the most is cutting the vegetables, which I did earlier, and I think I'm proud of myself, and I think my sister would also be proud of me, my little sister, because she doesn't allow me to cut them, by the way. Like when she's in the house, she's the one who's usually doing it because I cut them too big. She finds mine too big. So anyway, since I'm just myself, I mean, I can like them like this. But let me just finish cooking and then I can come back to you guys when everything is ready. Cool. But welcome to my channel. This angle looks like these things are burnt, but yeah, my food is ready. Great people, I'm done eating. I'm done eating, and I think today I woke up feeling like just, you know, making something good for me, like just cooking proper meal and just spending time in my kitchen, having some nice fresh vegetables, which I did, and I'm happy. And somehow I feel lonely. Yes, it's been lonely here, and the reason why is because I used to have my sister and my nephew around, and they went to school. Like everyone has gone back to school. So my sister went to school on Wednesday and my nephew went to school. I took my nephew back to my sister. So yeah, so it's been a bit lonely here. You know, the way you're so used to having people around, turning this way, telling my nephew, my nephew's name is Fortune, by the way, and if you follow me on Instagram, which I think you should, because my Instagram is usually funny, especially my stories. Yes, so if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen my nephew's pictures, even on you know, my stories everywhere. I think my TikTok as well. And it was amazing having them around, and right now I just feel lonely because there is no one now to shout to, there's no one to talk to, there's no one to ask, have you showered, there's no one to ask this and that. And my sister, by the way, my sister is such a funny person. Like, I think she's amazing. I have a very amazing sister, amazing little sister. And you see what I'm wearing? Yes, so today I was going through my sister's room, and I don't know what took me there, but I was just trying to arrange and put things in order and make sure that all her stuff are together, because right now, of course, when my friend comes, that's the room that they use, that's the guest room for now. So I found this gift. My sister has that tendency of, wrapping for you gifts and leaving them somewhere, so once she's gone, that's when you'll discover it. So this gift, yes, this top that I'm wearing, she bought me this one for my birthday, and I don't know why she didn't give it to me. Even I remember the last time when she was here, she had bought something, and by the time she left, that's when I discovered that thing, and it was written, oh, love you so much, blah blah blah. And now today I found this top over here, which is a sweatshirt, and Of course, you guys know how much I love this kind of tops. Like, if you're my friend, of course, if you know me in person, you know how much I love this kind of tops, yes. And I think I like it, not really like it, but I love it, yes. And I'm rocking it today, so I thought it was like, oh my god, this is so sweet. If only I could just call you in school and tell you how much I love it. But yeah, I think I'll tell her when she gets back, or maybe when I get to talk to her on phone. So anyway, that aside, so in 2020, I came up with this thing of having a gratitude jar and a worry jar. I'm sorry guys, I'm taking you back to 2020 but we're just going to review this kind of like what I wrote here. So this is my worry jar and this is my gratitude jar, and if you check the two, I don't know if it can focus, if you check these two tins, you'll find that the worry jar has very less papers, and the gratitude jar has several papers. I've not done for 2021 yet, so I just want to clear them. So I'll start maybe with, let me see what was worrying me last year. I'm just going to pick maybe random 5 of them and then just read, and I hope there are things I can explain. I don't know what was worrying me though. The good thing is I wrote the dates, like I could write, I used to write the date and what was worrying me. So oh my god, so on 16th of January 2020, I was worried about getting transportation to take my sister from, because my sister was joining Form 1, so I was worried about all the transportation from where my mom's home, from our home to the school, and that is something that was worrying me. Do you know what happened? Somehow everything worked out and we were able to get everything like in school right on time, and even her in school right on time. So things like shopping, things like, you know, all those things were sorted, like everything was sorted, and somehow that year just went well. Yes, like 2020 went well when it comes to my sister in school, and she never lacked anything, and I'm glad, like it didn't worry me anymore. But on 16th of Jan 2020, that is something that was really worrying me. Oh my god. And then let's see, this one has a lot. On 29th of March 2020, I was worried about my current situation. I was worried about the current situation of Rona, that's Corona, in the world, and then my business was really going down. So this is something that really, I was really worried about it on that particular day, on 29th of March 2020. How did that go? I don't know, somehow when it comes to business, I came up with different other ideas of doing business, and yeah, it worked for me. Some of these things though. On 28th, I even wrote someone's name that I can't even remember who that was, but anyway, on 28th of March, what worried me the most, that is back in 2020, was number 1, how I help, but when I need help, no one is there. Why was I being worried about that? That's just how life is. Like sometimes you do good to people, but when you're in need of something, they never really help you. And again, something else that I accepted that year is sometimes I need to accept the fact that when you're doing something good to someone, you should not do it with the mindset of expecting something in return from them, you know. That is something I learned. I don't know why it was a worry then, but it was something that worried me then. And then something else is, a client of mine wasn't returning my calls, and they owed me money, like they had my money with them. So I don't know, that is something that was really worrying me about this particular client. I won't mention who, but they were able to pay and clear everything, which is a good thing. And then there's someone here, someone not being able to help with the situation. I don't know this particular, it's a guy, so I don't even know who this is though. Oh my god, you know the way you write people's name and then you're like, okay, I wrote Ken, I wrote Kevin, now who's Kevin? I'm like, which Kevin? Yeah, so there's a guy here, and it wasn't really helping with the situation that was happening there. I don't even know who this is. Oh my god, who's this? I think I know, but the guy is not based in Kenya, but I think I know. Anyway, that was something that worried me then. I still have more to go. Like, it's funny reading this worries. Oh god. Week 1 of Jan, I was worried about my rent. I don't know for which month. That was in 2020. And then I was also worried about my best friend. So I don't know what happened. The last one on the worries. Did I read this one? Oh, that one I read. So the last one on the worries is on 24th of April. I was worried about electricity. I don't know, there used to be power issues or something like that on 29th of April 2020. Those are my worries. I don't know why I was worried about it. Maybe because of uploading videos on YouTube, or maybe contacting other people. So let's look at my gratitude jar. So in the gratitude jar, of course, I'm going to select, let me shuffle them, because I think that one was mostly for almost the same month. But I think in 2020, I wasn't worried about so many things from the look of things, other than the obvious things. Okay, so 5 things that I'm going to read about the things that I was grateful about in 2020. On 29th of March 2020, I was grateful. What I've written here is our friendship with so and so. So with another YouTuber, I was in Uganda, so I was grateful about our friendship and how we were able to build each other on that particular time. And if you're watching this, Ara, yes, I was grateful about our friendship on 21st of March 2020. And then, oh my god, and then here, Mandla King, if you're watching this, on 21st of March 2020, I was very grateful for the fact that what I wrote here is glad I came across Mandla King's channel. So Mandla King, if you're watching this, I was very grateful, and I wrote it down on 21st of March 2020. I was grateful about that. So cheers to our friendship. Like, how do you say cheers? Okay, let me use my juice. Cheers to friendship, Mandla King. If you're watching this, cheers to you for our friendship. And Ara as well, if you're watching this from Uganda, cheers to it, because I was grateful for those friendship. And yeah, that was on 21st of March 2020. Grateful for that. Let me see. Oh, I was supposed to drink. Bill, I hope you didn't watch that, because I know what you're going to say. On 2nd of April 2020, our God will always protect us in all situations. Everywhere we go, He is always present. Psalms 123 and 124. Yes. I don't know how I was grateful about this, but I was grateful about that. Somehow it's on my gratitude jar. And then on 11th of February 2020, I was grateful about my company profile and the certain job that I was doing. I don't want to mention the name of that job, but there's a job that I was doing which I was grateful about, and I'm still grateful about this job up to date, like up to now, because it's been keeping me busy since the first week of Jan. This is the second week of Jan, as I mentioned. We're starting the second week of Jan. Is it the second? Yeah, we're starting the second week of Jan, which is going to start on Monday. So I'm still grateful about this job because it's been keeping me busy. It's what I've been doing lately. And something funny is that, you know, the way I'm so used to working from home, so this is weird. Like, I felt weird the last couple of days because there's this project that I'm doing and I have to go and work from their office. So imagine I'm back to doing 9 to 5, but I'm doing it for the next 1 week, 2 weeks. So I'm like, it feels so weird, like, you know, the way you have to pack food. You know, it's been long since I did 9 to 5, like going to someone's office and then leaving there at 5 p.m. So it's been a bit weird, but I'm enjoying it because, I mean, it's fun, like working around people and all that. It's kind of fun for me right now. I find it fun because I've not been doing it for quite some time. So I'm enjoying the moment while it lasts. And that's how my 2021 has started anyway. So on 28th of February, I was grateful about my video shoot. I don't know which video shoot it was, but I was very grateful about that one. And then I was also grateful about my natural hair look and my makeup. I was becoming a pro in doing makeup. I don't know what happened because the last video I posted, the makeup was really off, but it is what it is sometimes. You're not perfect, you know. On 17th of May 2020, I was grateful about my manicure, delivery to clients, and meeting with certain person in my life, and I was super grateful for that, and I'm still grateful that I met this particular person in my life. So that's it about my gratitude and worry jar, but I'll still look through these things and just see how, I mean, just it's fun reading them and seeing the things that you're grateful about, seeing what used to worry you, and you know how you are able to sort out the issue that was worrying you then, and I'm just grateful. So I think on this video I really don't have much to talk about, but one thing that I would really request you guys is to tell me what kind of videos you want to see. There are a couple of people who approached me to do collabs with them in 2020, but I said no because I was not open to collabs then, and I was just trying to build my channel and just make sure that I put a foundation and make you guys get to know me. And yeah, so that's how 2020 was. But now in 2021, I'm open to doing collabs with different people. So guys, expect to see different faces on this channel, maybe interviews, traveling together with other YouTubers, people who are not YouTubers. I think you met most of my friends in 2020. And of course, you're still going to meet some of them still, like I'll bring more people here. You might meet my sister next holiday, and yeah, just a couple of things. But this year, expect to see more collabs on my channel, different faces on my channel. Whenever I travel, I'll be able to bring 1 to 3 people or YouTubers just to, you know, work together and see what can come out of it. From my previous videos, I've discovered that you guys enjoy travel videos. You enjoy, I think, when I'm with my friends, you enjoy a couple of things. But please let me know, because there are people who already say that I do more of travel videos, which means I have to work super hard and spend more money and, you know, just bring for you those videos. So guys, again, please let me know if you like stories, you want to hear more stories, because I have a couple of stories coming up for you guys. And yeah, let me know what you think, let me know what you want, because at the end of the day, I'm doing this for you guys. It's for you, and you know, like, I'll try my best to do it for you, and even make my editing better, make my, you know, shooting better. Lighting here is not all that perfect, but we can work with it for now. It's been raining and the weather here has just changed since the day I moved to this house, which is last year, I think June or July. As in, for once, it's been raining and it's been gloomy, you know, like the weather is not all that bright. Since I came, by the way, there was always sun, like from 6:30 a.m. to I don't know what time in the evening. It's always hot this side, but for the couple of days it's been raining, which I thank God for rain, and this place looked different, and I feel like the grass is more greener outside, and there's just so much to enjoy. I think I'm going to stop talking too much, and I'm going to end this video over here. But it's usually funny how every time my sister goes back to school, the night before she leaves, we always watch a movie that is sad. So this time round, we watched a movie called A Dog's Way Home, and I cried. I did cry. Like, you know, the people tell me that I don't look emotional, but I'm very emotional being. Like, I look tough, yes, but somehow I do cry. Like, I do cry, and I cried on that video. I really do like it, guys. If you haven't watched it, it's on Netflix. If you haven't watched A Dog's Way Home, I think that is something that you can watch and see. Maybe you'll also enjoy, and maybe you'll even cry like me. So I'm going to end this video over here. If you've gotten here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do just press on that amazing lady that you're seeing popping over there. And if you've gotten here again and you like this particular video, please remember to thumbs up. I don't know what usually happens, but somehow you find that I have so many comments, I have so many views, but the thumbs up do not even match. Guys, please, if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, it's also okay, you can thumbs down. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again next time. Kisses to you.